Hi, welcome back to Vue.js tutorial. In this session, we are going to install and set up Vue.js. Before jumping into that, we can set up the Vue DevTools. Vue DevTools is a Vue development tool, a Chrome extension, to inspect and debug our Vue.js application. We can install it from the Chrome Web Store. After the installation, we can click on the extension and start the inspection from a Vue.js app window. First of all, go to Google Chrome Web Store. Search for Vue DevTools. Choose the extension and click on Add to Chrome. Now the extension installed successfully. Vue.js only support ECMAScript 5 compliant browsers. ES5 features are un-shimmable in IE8, so Vue.js doesn't support Internet Explorer 8 and below version. There are a bunch of ways to install Vue.js. We are going to check how to install using cdn, npm, CLI and bower. Install using cdn. The CDN version of Vue.js is available on jsDelivr, unpkg and cdnjs. Vue.js provides development and production versions separately in CDNs. When compared with the development version, the production version will be minified and performance optimized instead of development experiences. So please make sure you use the development version for learning and development and production version for production deployment. We can create Vue.html and open it in a code editor. Now we can go to jsDelivr and search for Vue and choose the package. Here from the dist directory, you can find two files. One is Vue.js and another is Vue.min.js. The Vue.js version is for development and it will be helpful for debugging. The Vue.min.js is minified version and so we can use it for production. So here learning purpose, we can use the development version. Copying the script, creating a new script section. Here we can console the Vue version to make sure successfully installed. Now we can open the Vue.html file in a browser and check the console. Here we go, the version is logged. So we successfully installed Vue with CDN. Here you can see the console log from Vue alerting we are using development version. Let's try to use minified and production version of CDN. Yes, the alert has gone. Now we are running on the production version. Let's check how to use ES module to install Vue. Here is the ES module version. Copying the URL. Creating a script tag with the type as module. Import Vue from the URL. Console Vue version. Let's check the browser console. Yes, it is installed. Install using npm. npm is a recommended method for large-scale applications because it pairs bundlers such as Parcel, Webpack and Browserify. You can let the compiler know how to create production builds by setting node.env environment variable to production while building. First we have to make sure we installed npm. I already installed it. npm is bundled with Node.js, so you can download and install it from nodejs.org. Installing Vue using npm. Opening the directory on code editor. creating a new file called Vue.js, import the Vue package. Now we can console the Vue version, running the Vue.js with Node. Here we go, the version is logged. The installation is successful. Install using CLI. Vue.js provides an official CLI called Vue CLI to scaffold single-page application quickly. It includes bundler, hot reload and lean. We can serve the application locally for development purpose and create a build for production with this easily using command lines. We can install Vue CLI with npm. Now we can create a project with Vue create command. We don't have to customize the scaffold now, so choosing the default option. Now the app is created. We can change the directory to the project root and serve it. The app is served on port 8080. We can try to open it on a browser window. Here we go. The default sample view is rendered successfully. Install using Bower. Bower is deprecated, but still Vue.js releases build for Bower. So we can use Bower 2 to install Vue.js. First we can go to bower.io to check how to install it. Yes, we can install Bower using npm. I already installed it. So now we can install Vue with Bower. Open the directory in the code editor. Here you can see the Vue package is downloaded to Bower components. We can import to our Vue.html. Creating a new script section and console the version. Everything is fine. Now we can open the Vue.html in a browser window and check the console. Here we go, the version logged. Thanks for watching this session. We hope this session is helpful for you to understand how to install and set up Vue.js. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you in the next session.